Whether or not when I say make sure you grab your buddies. Make sure they can run.
Oh, actually, we have your guys' ideas.
Yeah, hang tight real quick. I gotta cover down here.
You're good. You guys just take C1. Yeah.
We're just waiting for I'm going to get this back.
It's going to be, you take C1.
It's going to write down. Yes, to write down your information. It takes at school.
Scooter's place, yep.
Paul. Paul? What's your phone?
797.
The news.
Some random dude fell in. Walking every night. You can ask him to stop.
Just so you guys know, stop.
No.
We're not cool with that. Okay. I appreciate what you guys. He just said,
You can ask him to stop. He doesn't have to.
that should not happen where we're from.
I did give you no permission to record me or my guys about anything that's going on right now.
It's been noted.
Everything that's going on, you have to blur out.
Matthew, what's your phone number?
Okay, sure.
Matt. Cool. 916-326.
Lol. Lol, her and I and Jessup right here.
Just stop. Just stop.
It's for the news, man.
Just stop.
No, he's not with us. He's a citizen that is filming in public, and he has the right to do that.
Hey, thanks, her and I.
Stop.
You have no expectation of privacy in a public place.
Awesome. Listen to her and I. All right.
Stop.
I would make a suggestion to you guys that you leave, because if
I agree.
you keep acting,
leave,
if you keep acting like he's acting,
we got our
it's not going to
ideas,
end well.
Man. News?
Have a good rest of your night, gentlemen.
Have a good one. Good luck. Drizzy Vic on Instagram, all platforms, the missing piece.
All right. Uh-oh. So Lowell, Officer Lowell, was just kind of like, oh, it's just some random guy filming. Kind of like almost instigating a little bit, but her and I over here was, he was like, oh, you're in public, no expectation of privacy in public. He has every right to be here, he's a citizen. And, you know, her and I doesn't like me. He doesn't like what I do, but hey, that's cool that he could actually say that. So that's, it's good for him. You want to be in it?
What do I need to do?
Just say something. All right, cool. Have a good night. She just did a little hair flip.
Dad, you hurt? You hear that? She got me.